Welcome to the best pick. The best Kchava is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen gadgets you can own, transforming everyday cooking into a culinary adventure with its innovative design and user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike looking to elevate their meal preparation and explore new gastronomic horizons. Number 5. Garden of Life Raw Organic Meal Replacement Shake. Discover the power of plant-based nutrition. Our raw organic meal replacement shake is packed with everything you need to feel your best. Indulge in the delicious, rich chocolate taste. It's a satisfying way to get your daily dose of essential nutrients. Get your protein from organic pea and sprouted seeds. It's a complete amino acid profile to support your active lifestyle. We've added a vibrant blend of organic greens and live probiotics. This helps support digestion and overall well-being. Enjoy a clean, dairy-free formula. It's perfect for anyone seeking a wholesome and pure nutritional supplement. Each container provides 28 servings of pure goodness. Make it a convenient part of your daily routine for sustained energy. What we like? This option is packed with raw organic ingredients, including plant-based protein, probiotics, and greens. If you're looking for a comprehensive, whole food-based meal replacement with a focus on digestive health, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who prioritize natural, unprocessed ingredients in their diet. What people say. Another reason I love this stuff: my hair has almost quit falling out by adding this to my diet. I have gastroparesis and am having issues with absorbing nutrients from my food. This seems to have done the trick. My skin looks 100% better too. I was very washed out looking and now I am back to looking like I used to. The taste reminds me of chocolate cereals. Like Cocoa Krispies or Chocolate Chex, but less sweet. The shake leaves me full for 3.5 to 4 hours, and I usually feel more alert after my first few sips. Parfait au niveau de tique, hyperprot, bio, sans gluten, sans produit laitier. Bref, produit s, e que dans de l. Au niveau go, t, moyen quand on m, ange avec de l'eau, un peu comme un chocolat chaud avec de l'eau, pas terrible, donc, mais tr, s bon avec du lait, cr, du lait diamanda, du lait de riz plus un point, e diamandas effel, ou un demi banane. Vous trouverez plein de recettes différentes sur le net, y compris sur les sites de concurrence, que sont tout beaucoup plus chers que Garden of Life. Le goût, t chocolat est bien marqué, ce que ajoute au plaisir gustatif. La texture reste liquide avec du lait de vache, mais est un peu avec du lait tal, vous de trouver votre dosage idéal. Le mi produit en version vanille est plus, pakes, a madame avec de l'eau, et le goût, t de vanille est quasiment inexistent, donc je ne le recommande pas si le goût, t est important pour vous. Number 4. Noka Superfood Fruit Smoothie Pouches Variety Pack. Introducing a variety pack of superfood smoothie pouches, packed with goodness. They are a convenient and healthy snack option for everyone. Each pouch is thoughtfully crafted with flaxseed, plant protein, and prebiotic fiber. These ingredients contribute to a balanced and wholesome diet. Enjoy a snack that caters to your dietary needs. These are completely vegan and gluten-free, making them suitable for a wide range of preferences. Feel confident in the quality and origin of your food. These smoothies are proudly made in the USA, ensuring high standards. Experience the ease of organic snacking with these convenient squeeze pouches. They are perfect for on-the-go nourishment. This variety pack offers a delightful selection of flavors. It's a great way to discover your favorite superfood smoothie. What we like? These are convenient smoothie pouches featuring plant protein and fiber, and they are vegan and gluten-free. If you need quick, on-the-go nutrition that's easy to consume anywhere, these are perfect. They are especially suitable for busy individuals, parents packing school lunches, or anyone needing a healthy snack without the fuss. What people say. The organic fruit blends are vibrant and fresh tasting. You can definitely tell these aren't made with artificial flavors or fillers. The plant protein addition is brilliant because it keeps me satisfied for hours, unlike other fruit smoothies that leave me hungry again in 30 minutes. The pouches are mess-free and easy to consume anywhere. Number 3. UpNourish Chocolate Vegan Protein Powder. Discover the delicious way to nourish your body with our rich chocolate vegan protein powder. It's packed with goodness to support your active lifestyle. Experience the power of 54 superfoods in every scoop, carefully selected to enhance your well-being. It's a comprehensive blend for a healthier you. Support your digestive health with 1.5 billion CFU of probiotics. This essential addition helps maintain a balanced gut, keeping you feeling great. Get a substantial 21 grams of high-quality, plant-based protein with each serving. It's the perfect fuel for muscle recovery and growth. Enjoy a clean formula with no sugar, no dairy, and no GMOs. It's dairy-free and made with your health in mind. Whether you're following a keto-friendly or low-carb diet, this shake is an ideal meal replacement. It fits seamlessly into your healthy eating plan. Each package provides 15 convenient servings, making it easy to maintain your nutrition goals on the go. Enjoy a healthy shake anytime, anywhere. What we like. This product boasts 54 superfoods, is keto-friendly, and includes probiotics. If you follow a low-carb or ketogenic diet and want a meal replacement that's rich in nutrients from a wide variety of sources, this is your go-to. It's designed for those seeking maximum nutritional density while adhering to specific dietary restrictions. What people say. This product might be the same as the Flip one I was using. Same product packaging and the taste is right on point. If you're looking for easy meal replacement for on the go, this is it. It sustains me for 4 hours just as if I ate solid foods. It blends nicely and thickens up so it fills me up for quite a while. The taste is good, although it does have that slight aftertaste, but the chocolate really comes through. I opted for vegan because I have IBS and have sensitivity to dairy and whey shakes. I get no stomach upset at all from this one. Best vegan protein powder yet. I feel energetic and full, and it's all good stuff. No BS, no fillers, no dairy, whey, so wheat, the list goes on. It's just the best I've found. Packaging is nice and sealed perfectly, and eat zip close seal that actually works. Number 2. Click Coffee Protein Mocha Flavor. Experience the ultimate all-in-one solution for your busy lifestyle. It's the perfect blend of protein and real coffee to kickstart your day. Indulge in the rich and satisfying mocha flavor that will tantalize your taste buds. This delicious drink is designed to be your go-to meal replacement. Fuel your body with 23 essential vitamins and minerals. It provides the complete nutrition you need to stay energized and focused throughout the day. Get an extra boost with a double shot of espresso coffee. It's the perfect way to power through your tasks and conquer your goals. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, this versatile drink is perfect for any time of day. Enjoy it your way, wherever you are. Each 15.8-ounce serving is conveniently packaged for your on-the-go lifestyle. It's the perfect companion for your daily adventures. What we like. This unique blend combines protein with real coffee for a double shot of espresso. If you're a coffee lover who wants to combine your morning caffeine fix with a nutritious meal replacement, this is ideal. It's perfect for those who need an energy boost and sustained nutrition to start their day or power through a busy schedule. What people say. The Kchava is a great product with a sleek design and intuitive interface. I love the Kchava's portability and long battery life, making it perfect for travel. The Kchava's advanced features, such as its noise cancellation technology, truly enhance the user experience. Number 1. Country Farms Organic Super Greens Chocolate. Discover the power of nature with our organic super greens. Packed with 50 organic superfoods, it's your daily dose of wellness. Certified USDA organic, this drink mix is a blend of fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, and probiotics. Experience pure, natural energy. With 7 g of fiber per serving, it supports your digestive health and keeps you feeling full. It's the perfect way to start your morning. Enjoy the rich chocolate flavor while nourishing your body. It's a tasty way to get your greens without the compromise. This comprehensive blend is designed to support your overall energy levels and well-being. Feel the difference that quality ingredients make. What we like. This drink mix is formulated with 50 organic superfoods and offers a high fiber content to support energy levels. If you're looking for a way to boost your daily intake of fruits and vegetables while also supporting digestive health and sustained energy, this is an excellent option. It's great for anyone aiming to improve their overall vitality and nutrient consumption. What people say. This supplement is packed with 50 organic superfoods, including fiber, fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, and probiotics. The fact that it's USDA organic and contains no artificial additives or sweeteners is a major selling point. I've noticed a significant difference in my energy levels since I started using this product. I feel more awake and alert, even during my afternoon slump. The fiber content has also been beneficial for digestion, as I've had fewer issues with bloating and irregularity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.